Hello again, friends. I'm making lots of videos today if you're watching my channel. Again, we are going through our yellow bin box for our 1Y readers, our 2Y readers, and our 3Y readers. Now, I am going to do a 3Y skill. So, if you are in kindergarten, many of you are in the 3Y level. And this is what we do. The first thing we do for 1Y is we remember the pattern. Then the second thing we do for 2Y is you track the print, which means touch the words. The third thing you do is you put them all together and you go and try to figure out that new word on each page, because the words repeat themselves except for one word. And in order to figure out what that new word on the page is, you have to look at the beginning letter and figure out the beginning sound. This book is called Elephant Trick. And this is written by, it looks like a publishing company called First Wave. And this is illustrated by Richard Hoit. He painted or drew these beautiful illustrations. He is an excellent illustrator. This is our cover. And here's our title page where it lists the title again, Elephant Trick. Illustrated by Richard Hoit, and excuse me, the publisher is Rigby, the Rigby Company. Good job, Rigby Company. I want you to try to also remember our power words, because even though you're only in the yellow bin, you know some power words. We also call those sight words in your class. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to remember the pattern, but we're going to touch every word. I can see you. Tiger. So look at the picture. And then I know these words. I can see you. Easy sight words. This is a new word for me. This word begins with a T, and T says t, t, t. And I see a tiger on the page, so I know that word is tiger. I can see you. B. What on this picture is a b, b? Bird. I can see you, bird. I can see you, lion. I can see you, lion. I can see you. What do you think this word is? Snake. Yes, snake. And I knew that because this is an S. S makes the sound S. And there's a snake in the illustration. I can see you, frog. I want you to pause the video and see if you can read this page yourself. I hope you unpaused, and we're going to check it. I can see you, monkey. I can see you, monkey. Psh. Oh, he splashed them. What a silly little elephant. And I love these books because not only can you figure out the new word on each page, at the end of the book, these are the new words you learn. And for those of you in kindergarten, you learn these sight words. If you don't know them now, let's learn them. This word is said. S-A-I-D, said. This. The T and the H together says th, or this word is this. T-H-I-S, this. S-E-E means see is the word, S-E-E says see, S-E-E, see. There's said again. I wonder if you can find it. You can find it. Can you match the other side? C-A-N spells can. Y-O-U spells you. This is what we do. Y-O-U spells you. Like little cheerleaders. And this is the word I. And I by itself is I. Like me, myself, and I. I. I hope that you liked this book. I think it's cute. I would like you to rewatch this video as many times as you want, because memorizing books is often the way you learn to read. And it'll help you learn all those new power words, also known as sight words. Have a great day. Enjoy!